ko po kayo, mga ninong at ninang, upang kusan sa loob ang batang inyong pag-ibig.
Wrinkle tells the story of the places you have been. Countless ocean hours, forming freckles on your face. Wildflowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far, and your eyes reflect the grace you have received. Oh, you made it through the fire. It's what made you who you are. Now it shines like strands of silver, and it feels like being free. Countless ocean hours, forming freckles on your face. Wildflowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day.
Happy birthday, Argus. Wish ko lang yung good health mo, and sa paglaki mo kayo ni ate mo, susuportahan namin kayo lagi. And kung ano man yung gusto nyong abutin sa buhay, dito lang kami ni mama, ni papa mo, at ni ate mo. Happy birthday.
You are made of love and memories, softer body, stronger heart. All the moments you've collected are what brought you here today.
Happy birthday, anak. Argus, wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health at magpapakabait kang bata. Yun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin ng mama. Mama mo, ate mo. Love you, anak. Love you, Argus.
You're growing older and more beautiful each day. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. And more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful.
I just wanna dive into the blue. It doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life.
Birthday, Argus. Sa nawa, lumaki ka ng matalino, na may takot sa Diyos, at magabayan ka ng mga magulang mo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Argus, welcome to the Christian World. At nandito lang si Ninang. Pag malaki ka na, puntahan mo lang ako. Tapos, happy first birthday. Yan, love you.
Okay, ako naman Argus, happy birthday and happy christening na rin. O, yun lang, sana lumaki kang mabait. Ayan, at syempre may takot sa Diyos. O, yun lang, love ka namin ni Ninang.
I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh.
Argus, wish ni Ninong sa'yo Sana lumaki ka na unang-una may takot sa Diyos. And of course, sumunod ka lagi. Pag medyo malay ka na, sumunod ka sa iyong mga magulang. Dahil yung mga magulang mo napakabait. Siyempre, tapos maalagang magulang. And of course, higit sa lahat, paglaki mo, sana may takot ka sa Diyos. Happy birthday, Argus. And of course, wishing you good health and happy life.
This is the good life.
Happy birthday, Argus. Today, we celebrate your birthday and today, we are also celebrating your baptism. Kaya sana maging bata ka na masunurin sa magulang at sa iyong pagsunod ay makakamtan mo ang tunay na blessings ng ating Panginoon. God bless you.